everyone, it's Hazim here from the Skills Bay and welcome to our basic Excel formulas series. In this video you will learn how to find the average of a range, and then we will be moving to the AverageIf to apply a criteria for the function. In the previous video we talked about min and max functions, and we will be continuing with the same example. So let's start. Go to cell H26 and in the cell write equal average. Excel will suggest the formula for you, so select the formula and hit tab. You can either choose separate numbers or a range. In my example, I'm gonna go for the entire range. Once selected, close the brackets and hit enter. Now we'll be moving to a more complex formula, which is the AverageIf. The formula allows you to find the average value within a range using a specific criteria. For example, let's say that you want to find the average prices for the American goods. This formula will allow you to do so. So let's see how this function works. Start with equal sign as usual and write average, and you see the AverageIf formula is here. Now the information bar is very important here because it will give you instructions on how to write the formula correctly. First, you need to select the criteria range. In this example, it's the country of origin. So we're going to select this entire range. It's a good practice to lock or fix your range. You can do so by clicking F4 or simply inserting the $sign before the row and the column. So I'm going to go for the $sign and hit F4. Now we need to tell Excel what is the criteria that we are looking for. Here it would be USA, since we are looking to find the average for the American goods. But remember, when dealing with the text, you always have to place the text between two quotation marks. So I'm gonna write USA between two quotation marks. Once this done, now we need to select the average range, and in this example it will be the price ranges. It's a good practice as well to fix the range, and I will be fixing the range by hitting F4. Once this is done, close the brackets and hit enter, and there you go. You have the average for the American goods. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful, and stay tuned for more videos.